The OnePlus 9 Pro is a high-end flagship smartphone that was released in March 2021. It is known for its advanced camera system, high-quality display, powerful performance and 5G capabilities. The device features a triple-lens rear camera with a 48-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and an 8-megapixel telephoto camera. It also has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ certification. The device is powered by a Snapdragon 888 processor and comes with 12GB or 16GB of RAM. It also has a large 4500 mAh battery with fast charging and wireless charging capabilities. The device supports 5G networks and has a sleek and premium design with a glass back and a metal frame. It's available in 3 colors: Morning Mist, Pine Green, and Stellar Black.